What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Gonna do a quick video on basically everything that's wrong with my body kit and on the mr2. And I was hoping that I can get some help from you guys because I am not a body expert. I don't really do fiberglass or anything like that, but I'm willing to learn. And that's the plan for today, is just show you everything that's wrong with it. That way I can get some inputs on how to fix it. This video is not to bash whoever made the body kit. I know what I was getting into. I know it was going to be bad, but at the time he was the only one that was making it, and I really like the way the body kit looks, and figured it's fiberglass and it can be fixed. But there's a lot of work, so I'm gonna show it to you guys, and hopefully we can figure something out. All right, we're gonna do a quick walk around, take a look at the body kit, and don't mind it being super dirty. It's just been sitting out here. It's been on the back burner. All right, we'll start in the front and we'll just walk in a circle. Start off here. You can see, well, my hood won't even close because on the side here, it rubs pretty bad. It pushes the headlight covers that way, therefore my hood won't close. So I'll definitely need to basically take some material off of here and then try to blend it back in. You can see that there's a big old gap here in the front. I gotta figure out, because it looks like on the factory it bolts from the back. Let's see, it bolts from the back and pulls it in, but on this one it looks like I'm not really sure, but I'll need to figure out how to fill this gap, because once you close this, you're gonna have still gonna have a gap here. Also, I cracked the front bumper and I'll need to fix that and fill it in. You can see here the materials, kind of hard to see, but the material is very thin, so I'll definitely need to reinforce the body kit, make it thicker and make it a little bit stronger, because I mean, just picking it up, it'll crack. So all right, here on the side, it's kind of hard to see, but if you look at the shape of it, kind of like right here, unlike around this area right here, it's you can see that it's warped and it doesn't really look that good. So I gotta make that smoother somehow. I don't know if I have to cut this or if I can just fill it in. Let's see what else. Well, this kind of came with this, not part of the body kit, but I need to fix that as well. Definitely here on the side, I need to add material on the ledge to basically pull this in that way and be able to grab the fender. And it's the same thing on this side too. You can kind of see. There you go. And even back here. All right, so that's the front. The side, if you look kind of this way, there's a line that goes along that way to here. You can see that it's about an inch or so off to follow this line to here. So this is about an inch down. So I don't know, I'm thinking I need to cut this out and move it up. And then as far as the side skirts, I'll need to fill this gap right here along here. Well, this needs to be bonded to the, or molded to the body. I'm thinking maybe just go ahead and mold. I hate molding, but because if something gets damaged, you can't take everything apart. But I think in this scenario, I'll probably have to mold the whole side skirt as well into the body. And then here, my gas door won't open. So I gotta figure out a solution for this gas door. I'm either thinking of just go ahead and filling all this in, closing it up, and then just adding one of those universal fuel fill, and then connect it to the stock hose. Or I can trim all this out, open it up, fix it up, you know, and then just blend it in, and then just have this part exposed to where I can still open my gas tank. I mean, this is all became this way, by the way. That's I gotta fix that. Yeah. I did get another bumper from him, and side skirt and fenders, but they're kind of all the same, so it needs a lot of work still. Gotta figure out how to get this all smooth and blended. Also, here in the back, I'll need to add material because it's supposed to go in here and then bolt on to this bumper. So I'll need to add material to go in here. That way I can get it mounted. Again, I need all the bumper I need to reinforce because they're all super thin. And then you can see here on the trunk, kind of hard to see, but this thing is super thin as well. You can just push it and it just moves. So this, I'm still trying to figure out what to do because I'm not really 100% sure on how to make this stronger. And it's not like I can just get another trunk because it kind of goes with the body kit. So the stock, it adds that much material to it. So this kind of goes with that. So I got to figure out how to make this stronger because this is supposed to have a wing to it as well. And honestly, I don't know if it's going to be able to hold the wing without cracking the whole thing. So I may not run a wing. I'd really like to run a wing because I think it looks good. But yeah, I got to figure that out too. I'm not really sure how to strengthen this trunk. All right. Again, here on the side, there's some material that it's supposed to go all the way up here, but it's not. So I need to basically fill all this up. On the side, same thing here. This needs to go up. I need to blend all that in. So that's what I'm working with. This is from a different company, and this one actually fits really good. I just need to figure out how to mount it because I don't want it flying off. But yeah, that's what's happening with the MR2. Definitely needs a lot of work, and hoping to get started on it shortly because I do want to drive this thing. This thing's so much fun to drive. Feels so good to drive it. But yeah, that's what it is. And hopefully, if you guys know how to do this kind of stuff, help me out. Give me some tips. Like I said, I'm planning to do the work myself, and anything to make my life easier would be appreciated. Thank you very much. Please, if you like to follow the journey of this car, subscribe and like the video. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon.